So there's said to be 6 foundational asanas in the Ashtanga system, and they're basically the standing poses. So they're Padangustasana, the big toe pose, Padahastasana, the hands to feet pose, Uttita Trikonasana, triangle, Uttita Parsvakonasana, extended side angle, Prasarita Padottanasana, the wide leg forward bend, and Parsvottanasana. From that root posture, then that's where you get the postures that are found later in the primary series, second series. Okay, so it's from these root foundational postures, then the variants come.
Can you talk a little bit about the connection between the big toe and the fingers?
So the very first foundational asana, the first of the 6, is Padangustasana, the big toe pose. It gives birth to several asanas. So you catch your big toe in triangle, in Uttita Hasta Padangustasana, in Ardha Baddha Padma Paschimottanasana. There's often a relationship or an interaction between your fingers and big toe, your hands and your feet, your arms and your legs. And that interaction between your limbs is often the foundation of your posture. And so it's a curious thing that you celebrate the big toe in Hatha yoga, like that because it's so useful in creating participation from your limbs that helps you establish the foundation of your posture and then gets you to be able to express the position really nicely through your spinal gesturing.